Welcome to the Tesla app tutorial. This guide is designed for beginners and will cover the essential remote control and charging features. The Tesla app acts as a central hub for your Tesla vehicle, including Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck, as well as energy products like Powerwall. With over 10 million active users globally, as of January 2026, it's a reliable and convenient tool for managing your Tesla. First, download the Tesla app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Log in using your Tesla account credentials. For the initial setup, pair your phone with your Tesla via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The app's dashboard displays your vehicle's status, battery level, and location. The Tesla app allows you to remotely control various vehicle functions. You can lock and unlock doors, honk the horn, flash the lights, and open the front and trunk. For added convenience, you can honk the horn and flash the lights remotely to locate your vehicle or get attention. You can also open the front and trunk remotely, making it easy to access your cargo without the keys. For enhanced security, activate Sentry Mode to view a live camera feed of your car's surroundings. Take control of your car's climate remotely by preheating or cooling the cabin and defogging the windows. Explore smart features like Summon Mode for remote parking. Dog Mode maintains a climate-controlled cabin for pets. Remember that safety confirmations are required for most commands. If you have a Tesla wall connector installed at home, you can connect to it through the Tesla app for convenient home charging. The wall connector provides faster charging than a standard outlet and integrates seamlessly with your Tesla vehicle. Once connected, you can set up scheduled charging to ensure your vehicle is ready when you need it. Use the app's schedule feature to choose departure times and charging preferences. Set charging limits in the app to protect your battery health and avoid overcharging. You can specify the maximum battery level you want to reach. Monitor your energy usage in real time through the app. Track charging speed and total energy consumed during each session. Integrate your home charging with solar systems to charge during peak sun hours. The app can automatically schedule charging when solar production is highest. This smart charging approach optimizes energy consumption, reduces electricity costs, and supports sustainable energy use by prioritizing renewable sources. The Tesla app makes finding superchargers easy through its integrated map feature. Simply open the app and navigate to the charging section to see all nearby superchargers marked on the map. Once you spot a supercharger on the map, tap it to view details including availability, connector types, and amenities. If reservation is available at that location, you can reserve a spot in advance through the app to ensure it's ready when you arrive. When you're ready to charge, you can initiate the process remotely through the app. This starts charging your vehicle even before you arrive or while you're away from it. Once charging begins, the app displays real-time information, including charging speed, which can reach up to 250 kilowatts for V3 superchargers, estimated completion time, and charging costs. The app allows you to schedule charging for off-peak electricity rates, which can save you money. Simply set a time when rates are lower, and the app will automatically start charging at that optimal time. The app uses data from your vehicle's regenerative braking system to optimize charging efficiency. This system converts kinetic energy back to electrical energy when you brake, which the app factors into battery management for better overall performance. Tesla has implemented biometric authentication using fingerprint and Face ID to secure access to the app and protect your vehicle commands. Additionally, end-to-end encryption ensures all commands and data are securely transmitted, preventing unauthorized access. These features address privacy concerns following data breaches in the EV sector. Always keep your app updated and your Tesla account secure to protect your vehicle and personal information. Keep your Tesla app updated to access the latest features and security improvements. Regular updates bring new capabilities and ensure optimal performance. By 2026, 85% of Tesla owners use the app daily for remote controls, making it an essential tool for vehicle management. Look out for future updates, including V4 superchargers with 350 kilowatt charging speeds and AI-optimized routes that will reduce travel time significantly. Wireless charging support is coming. Along with the evolution of the app, into an AI-powered digital twin of your vehicle, providing even more intelligent features. The Tesla app continues to evolve with cutting-edge technology, so stay updated and enjoy the future of connected driving.